We're working on our Jen Stark style paper sculpture. We want to make it really three-dimensional so it stands up and it has a little depth. So I'll show you how to put this all together. You've already cut out your shapes. What you'll need next is a background piece of paper. I'm using black today. And you'll need some craft sticks and some glue. So first thing you'll need to do is put your name on your background paper and your class, and then turn it over to the other side. Then you'll find your cutout pieces, and we want to arrange these so that they're stacked up from smallest to biggest in order, and they're all facing the right way so that they all stack up nicely, and you can see the pattern as it goes from big to small. Okay, next we're going to start gluing these together. So I'm going to take this stack that I just stacked up and I'm going to flip it over the opposite way. So they're still in order, but now they're going from smallest to biggest. And I've got my background paper over here, and I'm going to start gluing. So to start with, I'm going to do some tiny bits of glue on my sticks around the edges. So you want to put them pretty close to the edge of the paper, but not touching the edge of the paper. Oops. And then add some glue on top of each one of these craft sticks. And then you can lay your first paper right on there so that it is even with the edges of your paper. And we're going to repeat that process again and again. Just stacking these up right along the edge. And you want to place your wooden sticks right stacked up with the stick directly below it. And you can kind of feel where that is, so you make sure you get it right on top. And then dots of glue on the top side of each of those. And place your next one right on top. So you can see right through that window, and your shapes match up nicely. And we're just going to continue building this tower, stacking it up. Every time you put a craft stick on, you want to feel where the one is before it so you get it stacked right on top of it. And after you get each one of those on, you always dot more glue on top of each one. when you get up to this top layer, your edges will be pretty narrow, so you want to make sure you get these craft sticks right up to the edge, because that top one is really close to the design is really cut close to the edge, so you might not have a lot of space for your stick. And you'll need to let this dry, but as you can see, it is very three-dimensional. Hope you have fun with your Jen Stark paper sculpture project.